Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things beauty and fashion in hopes that you might find affordable quality products and most importantly, discover the beauty within. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do 6 different hairstyles with just one wig. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so hairstyle number 1 is just wearing the wig all the way down. Now this wig is also able to shift from left to right, so you can wear this part in a left side part or a right side part. But this first hairstyle is just your basic middle part, your nice long voluminous curls. You can wear this wig every day if you would like, or if you're going on a nice date. So this is hairstyle number 1. I'm going to do a nice little 360 so you guys can see the fullness of this unit. And also, if you have not seen my initial review and unboxing of this unit, definitely make sure you check that out. I am going to link that video to this video as well. But this is hairstyle number 1. Alright you guys, so hairstyle number 2 is going to be a nice low sleek ponytail. Hairstyle number 2 is perfect if you have to go online for Zoom meetings for work or for school. So what I'm going to do is just grab my paddle brush and brush the front part of the wig out so that way everything is nice and cohesive. I'm not going to brush it too much because I don't want to brush the curls out of it. And next I'm going to take a nice long elastic. I'm actually going to double it so that way my ponytail is nice and sturdy, and I'm just going to simply swoop the front of the wig behind my ears so that way the little edges that I pulled out earlier will show. And if you also want to see how I actually did the baby hairs on this unit, don't forget to check out the first video that I put on my channel on this wig. And you're simply just going to grab the hair to a ponytail and make sure you are smoothing everything out as you go. And again, we're going to make this a nice low ponytail. Okay, now you can leave this ponytail just like this. You know, it's really nothing wrong with that. A little 2-minute hairstyle. I mean, we're getting on Zoom anyway, so nobody's gonna notice. But you do want to go ahead and cover up that ponytail holder. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a section of the ponytail from the bottom. Just a nice medium-sized section of hair. It doesn't have to be too big. And I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail holder so that way we don't see that. Oops, and actually I got to redo the ponytail because it's slipping. So like I said, grab a piece of hair from the ponytail from the bottom. And you're just going to wrap that around your ponytail holder so that way you can disguise the ponytail holder and it doesn't show. And to secure that in place, I'm going to just take a bobby pin and pin that to the bottom of the ponytail. And voila, there we go. We have a nice low ponytail that looks nice and professional for our Zoom meetings, with our school, or with our office. And you could definitely play with it, bring it to the side if you want to, or leave it down to the back, nice and professional. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this. This is cute. And look, I didn't have to sit in the salon all day and get my hair slicked back and blown out. There you go. That is cute. Ooh, so if you are feeling a little extra like myself, accessories, of course, we can go in and add this nice little queen bobby pin. I'm just going to place that on this side just like that, and bam. now we're ready to go out. So now we have just made a work style, a work hairstyle, a going out hairstyle in the future whenever we can't go out, but y'all know what I mean. So yeah. So now you're ready to go out with your girls, go on a nice little date, rendezvous with your boo, just like that, by adding that nice little bobby pin like that. Ooh, we're photo shoot ready now. Yes, yes ma'am. Alright you guys, hairstyle number 3 is also one that is pretty easy to do. All we're going to do is just grab 2 sections from the front of the wig, 2 nice medium sections like such, and I'm simply just going to plait this into a nice braid. Now your braid does not have to be perfect at all, but I'm simply just going to plait this into a nice little braid. And this is easy to do if you just don't really feel like doing too much to your wig, but you just want to spice it up just a little bit. And I'm actually going to show you guys 2 different ways that you can actually rock these braids with this wig. Now that we have our 2 braids in the front, we're going to go in and add in some jewelry pieces. Y'all already know I'm all about being a little bit extra, you know, spicing it up a little bit. And this is literally how you can get multiple hairstyles out of one wig and not have to break the bank, sis, and buy multiple units. Okay? These are trying times right now. We cannot be doing all of that. And I'm just going to place a few on each braid. This is hairstyle number 4. I believe we're on 4. I hope so. So yeah, this is literally hairstyle number 4. Just 2 little accent braids in the front. Still wearing the hair down and adding some jewelry pieces. This is a nice, cute little hairstyle. It definitely is unique. Gives you a little bit of flavor with this look. And you can also make this a 2-in-1 hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is actually pull the braids inside the hair and just bobby pin them in. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin these into the wig. And voila, hairstyle number 4 is hairstyle number 5. And yes, again, we're showing those nice little edges coming out. And you can add in some more jewelry pieces if you wanted to, just because I didn't add that many in the beginning. But this is hairstyle number 3. And hairstyle, hold up. And this is hairstyle number 4 and hairstyle number 5. So yeah, this is definitely cute. I love this one. Very easy to do. Very simple. Very cute. May become one of my new favorite wigs. Like, that was just seamless actually taking those braids out. I had no trouble whatsoever taking those braids out just now. And this is the Sensational Angel Face wig in the color 1B. So definitely make sure you check out the description box so you can get your hands on this lovely unit as well. So hairstyle number 6 is also another 2-in-1 hairstyle. I'm actually going to be doing a nice little half up, half down look. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually section off the front portion of the wig. I kind of want to leave this down to have like some bangs with this hairstyle, just to make it a little bit more realistic looking. I'm just going to leave that down, and then I'm just going to grab the top portion of the wig and pull this up. Now, you do got to be a little bit mindful with this, just because for me personally, I have a low hairline, so it's kind of hard for me to actually lay down the sideburns of my wig. So especially if I have black hair, I just leave it alone and let this show. But what I am going to do is have some of the hair falling in front of it, so you're not even going to be able to see that once I'm finished. Yeah, so the goal is not to pull the hair too much. So like, I mean, unless you're trying to be Clockiana and all in my wig, you're really not gonna be able to see, you know, what's going on right here because of the way I cut my lace. And then these pieces are in front too, so if you're worried about your lace showing, it's not gonna show, sis. I promise you it's not gonna show. As long as you don't pull your ponytail too tight, you should be good to go. And there we go, hairstyle. See, this is what I was talking about. You can't pull it too tight. So I had to loosen it up, and bam, now my lace is not showing. And I'm glad that happened so that way I could see what I was talking about. So yeah, I'm just adjusting it, pulling it down. And you can also put a bobby pin right there. I'm gonna do that because I already know somebody gonna be in the comments, sis, your lace showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bobby pin that down so that way it's not clocky. And there you go. Bam. Can't see it. This is hairstyle number, what are we on? 6. Hairstyle number 6. And you can also braid these two pieces down too. That'll give it a little bit extra pizzazz and character. But this is hairstyle number 6. Half up and half down hunter. Ooh. And y'all already know I'm all about being extra, so I have these cute handy dandy chopsticks. You can also pick these up at your local beauty supply store, and I'm also going to try to find a link to these, and I'm just going to stick those into the top of my ponytail. Just be creative, you guys. Get creative with your wigs, okay? Don't be afraid to play with your wigs, okay? Don't be afraid. Also, if you're not feeling the ponytail, we can turn that bad boy into a bunny bun. Just like that, wrap that bad boy around and get you a nice little bobby pin. Eight hairstyles, 7 hairstyles. I lost count, y'all. I lost count for real. But there you go. Nice, cute little hairstyle. Y'all make sure y'all spam Sensational with this video, right, and let them know that they need to put me on the PR. Let them know. Put me on the PR, okay? Because I'm giving y'all looks. We serving looks over here. Yes. This is so cute with the bun. Like, I don't know if I like it better with the ponytail or with the bun. Y'all let me know down below in the comments. Ponytail or bun? Which one do y'all like better? I don't know. Don't know. Alright you guys, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Also, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of letting me know which hairstyle was your favorite, and also let me know what other wigs that you guys want to see me try out in the future. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you know when new videos are uploaded to my channel. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!